So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So it's the day one of daily problem Leetcode. So today we are going to discuss shortest path with alternating color which comes on 11th Feb. So it's today daily problem. So let's see what the statement is saying. In this problem, you are given a directed graph which are connected through edges of two types. The first type of edge is red and the second type of edge is blue. uh, so each node is connected with red edge or blue edge, or maybe connected from both of the edges. From one way it is connected red, and from second way it is connected with blue edge. So what we have to give written in this problem, we have to return an array of answer of length n, and where array of answer of x will denote the shortest path from 0 to node x, such that each alternating edges should be of different colors, which means uh, we can't take that shortest path which is from 0 to x, which contains two red edges, or two blue edges alternatively. So we have to find the shortest path such that uh, each edges should be alternatively different of. Okay, so let's take an example. So let us consider there are four nodes which are connected through these edges. One is connected from 0 with red edge, and 2 is also connected from 1 with red edge and blue edge also. So similarly 3 is connected and 4 is connected. So let's create our answer array. So the distance from 0 to 0 is 0. Obviously 0 is the distance from 0 to 0 will be 0, and the distance from 0 to 1 is 1. Why it is 1? Because there is a directed edge from 0 to 1 whose color is red, so the distance will be 1. And from 0 to 2, how we can go? We can first go from 0 to 1 with red edge, and from 1 to 2 we can take blue edge, so the distance will be from 0 to 2 will be 2. And similarly for 3, the distance will be 3 by 3, because we go from 0 to 1 with red edge, from 1 to 2 with blue edge, from 2 to 3 with red edge. And now the tricky part is for fourth edge. So how we will go from 0 to 4? Let's see. From 0 to 1 we will take red edge, from 1 to 2 we will take blue edge, and from 3 to 2 to 3 will take red edge, and from 3 to 4 there is only one edge whose type is red. So we can't go from 2 to 3 red and from 3 to 4 red, because these both alternating edges of same type. So we can go from 3 to 1 with blue edge, and from 1 to 2 we can take red edge, from 2 to 3 we can take blue edge, and now from 3 to 4 we can take red edge. So from 0 to 4, how we can take? We can go from 1, we can go from 3, we can go from 1 to 2 we can go, from 2 to 3 and 3 to 1 again, and 1 to 2 and 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. So the distance will be from 0 to 4, in this way 7, and we can say this is the shortest distance from 0 to 4. So that's the problem statement. I hope you understand clearly. So now let's discuss the solution of this problem. Uh, so let's create that one again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is a red edge from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4. And the type of blue edge will be 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 1. So in this problem we will use the technique PFS. And what we will do in this, first of all we will insert in our queue 0, and after inserting 0 we will go to all its parents, and the parents of 0 is only 1. So after going, first create our answer array 0, 1. These are the indexes of our answer array, and the shortest distance from 0 to 0 is 0. And after going from 0 to 1, we will make our 0 visited. So we will remove this 0 from our queue, and we will update our answer of 1, 1. Why 1? Because there is as present from 0 to 1. And now after coming to 1, we will go from 1 to 2 with blue as. So here we will also write how we are coming. We are coming with red as from 0 to 1, and from 1 to 2 we are coming with blue as. And now from 2 to 3 we can take red as, and from 3 to 4 we can't go because there is also red as from 3 to 4. So now from 3 to 4 we can go 1 with blue as. Now see, here we come from 0 to 1, so our 1 with red as is visited, so we will never come from 1 with red as, but we can go to node 1 with blue as because it is not visited now. And now from 1 to 2 we can go red as, and from 2 to 3 we can take red as, blue as, and now finally we will reach our fourth node with red as. So you can see the length from 0 to 4 is 7, and from 0 to 2 is 2, and from 0 to 3 is 3. So what the intuition is this: we will make our visited array of two type, n cross 2. Why n cross 2? Because the first one will take red one, and the second one will make the node of blue type visited. And first of all we will insert in this visited array 0, 0, because first of all the elements are not visited up to now, and after that we will update our queue similarly. So now see the code. As you can see, I have created my answer vector, and I created an two addressee list of red and blue. In red addressee list I have inserted the edges whose color is red. You can see I have inserted them here. And in blue addressee list I have inserted those nodes from u to v whose edges are blue. And then I call out my bfs. So in bfs you can see I have uses dequeued data structure of int comma char. Why int comma char? Because we have to make our visited of 0, red and blue both. So first of all the value of count will be 1, and in answer of 0 we will insert 0. Why 0? Because the distance obviously from 0 to 0 is always 0. So first of all I have inserted in our dequeue all the nodes which are directly connected to 0, and I am making them visited. Yeah, so now I can say that all of these are visited. Similarly I have inserted in our queue array uh, which are connected with blue edge. And now here I have take a while loop. It will finish when the size of queue will be 0. First of all I have used this size. uh, you can see, as you can see, first of all I have inserted in our, let's say this is our queue array. First of all I will insert in it 1. So you can say there is only one edge from 0 to 1, and which is red. So in our queue only one will be present. And what is the size of this queue? The size of this queue is 1. So I will take a loop from 0 to of this size, and I will insert all the elements which are connected to this. So you can see the elements, the nodes which are connected to 1 is only 2, and after this I will remove this 2. Similarly, that's all I am doing here. You can see I will take the original size of my queue, and until the size will be 0 I will insert in our queue. So you can see I have take a pair I q dot front from the front of the queue. uh, it was I just checking, so just ignore it. So I will check if I dot second is R. What does it mean? I dot second? It means I come from its parent using red. So what we will do? I will go from this node to next node only with blue, because I can't come with red and go with red, because it will be alternative same colors. So if I am coming from its parent using red color, so I can't go with red color. I have to use blue. So you can see I I have inserted in my queue which are connected from this node using blue edge. So similarly, if I dot second is not R, then it will be blue, and if it is blue, then I will go to red edge, which are connected to this node. And if I dot second is R, I will I will make it visited, and if it is not R, I will make the blue one visited, and I will check if answer of I dot second is equal to 0. Then only we will update our answer, because if it is not equal, then the sorted distance is also present in it. So we don't change our sorted distance. And after all these calling pushbacks, and I will remove the front element. So you can see I have removed this one from our queue, and we will update our queue to this one. So that's all in this way. And I will increase my count. Why count? Because after one level, the distance from 0 to that level will be 2. First of all, the distance will be 1. So well, I have taken the value of count will be initially 1. So after the first level will finish, uh, all the nodes which are connected from 0 to that first level will be their distance will be 1, and after that level is finished, I will increase the value of my count, and the answer will be, and the those nodes which are connected from level 1 to level 2 will be the distance from 0 to that level will be 2. So that's all I did in this way. And then after this, I will check from 1 to n if answer of I equal to 0. That is, I can't go to this node using anyone, because the edges from to that node will not contains consecutive different colors. So in this case, the answer will be -1, and simply I return from there. So that's all in this solution. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, then please feel free to ask in the comment section, and if you like the video, then please subscribe our channel. So thank you guys, bye bye, take care, see you soon.